You're standing in your bathroom, which is way too crowded. Let's get out of here. Go to a room with more space. You're going to need it for your next kupu. Wakarererangi, aeroplane. Wa, ka, re, ra, ngi. Wakarererangi. Pahikara, bike. Pa, hi, ka, ra. Pahikara. Pahi, bus. Pa, hi, pahi. Puka puka, book. Pu, ka, puka puka. Pene, pen. Pe, ne, pene. Pepper, paper. Pe, pa, pepper. Waka, boat. Wa, ka, waka.
You're now standing in a large room. Sticking out of the wall is a giant wakarererangi, aeroplane. It is split in three with waka on one wing, rere on the other, and rangi on the tail. There is a pahikara, bike, sticking out of another wall. The word pahi is on one wheel with kara on the other.
Out of nowhere, you notice a pahi. Bus driving around and around the room. Oh no, the bus driver isn't watching where she is going because she's too busy reading a puka puka book. She's also writing kupu from the puka puka with a pen, onto a piece of paper.
Suddenly, the pahi crashes into a beautiful orange waka. Boat, what a mess. So we have a wakarererangi sticking out of a wall, a pahikara poking out of another wall, a pahi driver reading a puka puka and writing with a pene and pepper before crashing into a waka.
Oh my gosh! Spend a couple of days in the big room practicing these kupu.